Military Occupational Specialty Cable Systems Installer Maintainer. The men and women in this MOS install telephone lines and associated equipment that allow units to communicate across the battlefield and around the world. Because communications are sensitive, you must qualify for a secret clearance in this MOS. Then the Army will train you to install, troubleshoot, and maintain networks consisting of both tactical and commercial fiber optic and phone cable systems that provide access for telephones, computers, faxes, and terminal equipment, and do minor maintenance on these fiber optic and phone cable systems. You'll also train to climb telephone poles, to install cable and wire between signal sites, from signal sites to command posts, and to other locations where wires are needed. For this, you'll train to weave and tie special knots for attaching cables to poles and structures. In addition, you'll train to run various cables underground, as well as over and through obstacles. You'll also install and configure computer network equipment, VoIP, routers, and switchers, and work with fiber optic splicing and test gear. And you will install junction boxes where the wires inside the cables are split out and hooked up to user equipment. After your initial entry training and advanced individual training, you'll work supporting military operations in the field day or night, where you may install and troubleshoot distribution frames, commercial phone systems, and punch-down blocks. Serving in this MOS can help you transition from the military to the civilian employment sector because your abilities in leadership, teamwork, and problem-solving are skills and values in demand by civilian employers. In today's Army, the soldiers who keep the vital communications for our military operations going around the world are in Military Occupational Specialty Cable Systems Installer Maintainer.